afternoon, everyone. My name is Deepika. I study in first class. My school name is Dr. Kishore International School. Today my topic is holiday. Deepavali, Christmas, Dasara, Vinayak Chavithi, Pongal. Next one is India. Republic Day, Independence Day, Teachers Day, Children's Day. Thank you. Christmas, Chinese New Year, Easter, Valentine's Day, Deepavali, Halloween, Buddha.